Hey everybody, Felix Staffelbaker here. I wanted to make a video about the drastic changes that crypto really offer and provide. What we've seen over the past, if you look back, 100 years, a lot of things have gradually gotten better, slowly gotten more efficient, just very turtle-like speed to be able to move from where we once were to where we are now. And in the aggregate, it's really not that far off from where it was. And what a lot of people don't understand is with crypto and things like EOS and Bitcoin, using smart contracts and programmable money and decentralized store of values, we're really going from doing things a little bit better and a little bit more efficient to doing completely new things. And I don't think that really sets in with a lot of people of what this stuff is really capable of and what we could be seeing in the near future. And I think that those are the types of things that, if you're looking ahead and understanding, the way we do certain things now could be completely transformed into stuff that even the stuff planned could be even further out and better than that there's going to be so much opportunity to be able to make very small bets on certain things and ideas that turn into windfalls and turn into people having their lives absolutely changed and for the better. Medicine, finance, even like driving cars. Like, we've gone from horse and buggy to combustion engines to electric vehicles, and they're all pretty much doing the same thing. They all required a driver. They all required somebody operating, maintenance on the vehicle. Well, with something like blockchain, where you have EOS protocol connected to a 5G network, you could have a completely autonomous vehicle, and you could have something where if you're in an apartment complex, there's a fleet of a handful of self-driving cars where you just get in the car, tell it where you need to go, say to work or something, you hop in, it'll take you to work, drop you off, it'll drive itself back to the apartment complex, and if it needs servicing, it can drive itself to a place where it can get serviced. Or obviously there are going to be cases where it can't drive itself because it's actually damaged or some type of thing like that. But the opportunities and the leap forward that we're about to make, I don't think a lot of people are ready for, and really understanding just how capable some of this technology is. And I think the real world is about to be as configurable as, say, a computer program on a video game. The way you can make almost anything happen in a video game limited by your imagination. The same level of interoperability and play come into the crypto space. Meanwhile, there are still billions of people who don't even know what crypto is. They may have heard of Bitcoin, but they don't understand the deeper technology and what's able to be built on top of it and what's actually about to be rolled out to them. And so it'll just open things up wider than any technology advancement in the past 5,000 years, probably since the invention of like the gold standard 5,000 years ago or something. That was such a game changer because it pegged everything to gold, where before, if you wanted to buy something from a trader who had goods up and down the river, you had to go to them And, you know, it was just market price, whatever things were. Oh, it was just whatever things were. And now, or once gold was introduced as the stable currency, everything was based off of gold price. So there was actually a market for things. This is that kind of level, but on everything. And I think that people not paying attention are going to absolutely get blindsided and not see what's coming. And I just want to let everybody know that it is coming, and we see it, and we're prepared for it. So I just wanted to put that out there. Stoffel Baker out.